just going to be stopping right here. You guys can have a chance to take some pictures without being bumped around. Now you can't see it, but up above us there's actually a special platform where the production crew has placed cameras so that they can shoot down into the set. Across the canyon you can see that tanker over there. It's actually from one of our boneyards. The tanker was actually too large to drive across the ravine, so they actually had to lower it into place with a crane for this. That was pretty interesting to see. I'm not really sure why that rain effect is on. And the production crew turned it on for us. Let's see. We create this rain effect using a high-powered rain thrust up above us right at it. You can take scene 1, take 2. Don't worry about it. Production crew, if you can go ahead and cut your tape. We thought you weren't filming. We're going to go ahead and get out of here. Sorry about that. Just like this up, folks. They're going to go ahead and cut. We're going to get out of here. Okay, that's fire. We're going to hang on tight. It looks like we're going to be actors in this scene that they're filming. You have to reset for another take. We're definitely not going to do that. We're going to go ahead and get out of here before that happens. So by now you probably all know why we call this area Catastrophe Canyon. What did everybody think? Woo! Alright, after that thunderous round of applause, we're going to go ahead and get out of here. Woo! We're off there back here when we run this. Alright, so what I'm about to say may shock you a little bit. I actually knew what was going to happen. I know. I was very convincing. I'm an actor. It's my craft and my passion. But now Billy's going to be taking us back behind the scenes. You guys can get a look at how we created that catastrophe.